Hello Sudoku friends, welcome. Today in the daily newspaper of Thursday. Yes, it's Thursday, March the 30th, 2023. Almost end of the month. We have here one regular puzzle. It's a medium Sudoku. In this newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles. And those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. 2 tectonics, 1 with 4 stars, 1 with 1 star, and the last puzzle is a binary puzzle. And these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them, half of them I will solve. Otherwise it's too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. Alright, let me start with the regular puzzle. Regular puzzle number 6198. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars Sudokus, in the additional, it will be a 2 stars. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. 15 to 20 minutes. Is this really a 2 stars? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. 7 in this row, 7 in the last row. So in the row between, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. You see a 7 in this column, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7. Okay, cannot continue with the 7 now. Need to wait. How about? The number. Let me see. Which number can I pick? How about 99, yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this column, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. Here, 9 in this row. No 9 in those 2 boxes, so the 9 in this big square could be here. Could be there. 9 in this column, 9 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be there. Oh, right. Okay. Then, let me see. 5. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in the third row, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. Here, 5 in the last column, no 5 in those 2 boxes. So the 5 in this big square could be here, could be there. 5 in the last column, 5 in one of those 2 boxes. In the column next, so in that column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. You see a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in the last row, 5 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. You see a 5 in the middle column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. Alright. Okay. Then, 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this column, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. Here, 2 in the last row, so no 2 in that box. So 1 box left for the 2 in this big square should be there. 2 in the last row, 2 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. Alright. Okay. 2. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, 7 and 8 is missing, 3, 6, 8. 3, 6, 8, 3, 6, 8, 3, 6, 8. And look, we have a 6 in this column, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 6 in this big square. Should be there. So the 3 and 8 are left. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. So 8, 8, okay. We have a pair, the 6 and 8 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. The 6 and 8 in that column. So the column between the middle column, only 2 places left for the 6 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes. As a pair, 6 and 8, 6 and 8. So 2 missing numbers in the middle column for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. So we have a 3 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 3 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle column. So the column next, though, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Then. 2, 4, 1. 1, 1. 1, 1. 4, 4. I need a 2 here. 2, 1. 7. Yeah, 7. 2, 1, 7. Okay. All right. And now. We have a pair again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in the third row, so no 9 in these 2 boxes here. 9 in the last column, no 9 in those 2 boxes. So the 9 goes together with the 5 as a pair. 9 and a 5, 9 and 5. 9, 9. 4, 6. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in the last column, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 in this big square should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. 2, 2. 3 missing numbers now in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And look, we have a 1 and a 2 in the last row, so no 1 and 2 in this box. 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. So 1 digit left in the last column for number 3. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3. 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be here and a 4 goes there. 3 and 8. We have a 3 now in the last row. No 3 there. 3 should be here and 8 goes there. 8 in this row. 8 in the last row. So the row between. The only place left for the 8 should be there. 8, 8. Okay. 2 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 3 in the third column. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 and the 9 is missing. 6 and the 9, 6 and the 9. Alright. Then 3, 3, 3. 3, 3, 3. We have 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so the row below. The only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and a 7, 3 and a 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. That means we have a 3 here, a 3 there. So in this row, we need a 3. Here can be 3, because we have 3 in this column, no 3 there. Here can be a 3, because we have 3 in this column, so no 3 there. Here can be a 3 because we have 3 in this column, so no 3 there. Here can be a 3 because we have 3 in this column, so no 3 there. And the 3 could be here, could be there then. Here or there. We see another 3 in the first column, so no 3 there. So the only place left for 3 should be there. Alright. 4, 469, 469, 469. Okay. And now. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Two missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. And look, we have a pair now here in this row. Also 1 and a 2. That means these 3 missing numbers should be the 1 and the 2. 3, 4 is missing. The 5, 6 is missing. And the 7 is missing. 4, 6, 7. 4, 6, 7, 4, 6, 7. And look, we have 4 and a 6 in this big square, so no 4 and a 6 in this box. 4 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. So 1 digit left in this row for number 7. Alright. 7. Okay. And now. Let me see. Yeah, 1, 2, 4, 6, and 9. Yeah. So we have a 7 there. So these 2 boxes will be a 1 and a 2 also. We have a pair, 3 and a 9 here. 1, 2, and need a 4 here. Yeah, need a 4 here. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, though, we need 2 places left for the 4. Could be here, could be there. 7 in the third column, 7 in the second column. So the first column, no, need 2 places left for the 7. Could be here, could be there. Need a 7, okay. The 9 in this column, 9 in one of those 2 boxes in the column next. So that column, no, need 2 places left for the 9. Could be here, could be there. Need a 1 here. We need a 1 in the third row. Need a 1. Yeah, here can be 1 because we have a 1 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, so no 1 there. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Alright. Need also a 1 there. Come on. 3. The 1. 1. Here should be the 1 then. Here 1, there 1. Yeah. 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the third row, 1 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. Here can be, this box can be a 1. Okay, how about, come on, 6. 6. Need a 6 there. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. 3 missing numbers in the third column. One of the missing numbers in the third column is number 6. We have a 6 in the middle row, so no 6 there. So the 6 in the third column could be here, could be there. And look, we have a 6 in one of those 2 boxes. Here also a 6 in one of those 2 boxes. That means in the third row, we need a 6. I think this box should be 6, because there cannot be a 6, because we have a 6 in one of those 2 boxes in this big square. So the 6 in the third row should be here. So I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes there. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with 4. Now we have a 4 in the second row. So this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. 1 and a 2, we have a 1 there. So this box should be a 2. 1 and a 2, we have a 2 now. So this box should be a 1. 1 and a 2, well, we have a 1 now. So this box should be a 2. So here the 4 and a 6, okay. 9 and a 5, 3 and a 7. 4 in this row, 4 in the second row. So the third row, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this column, second column, no 4 there. 4 should be there, and I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. 4 and a 6, we have a 4 now in the first column. So this box should be 6, and that box should be a 4 then. Wow, complicated. 4 in this column, 4 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in the third column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 5 and the 6. Let me mark those. Okay, 6 and 8, that means one box left in this big square for number. 1, the 2 is missing, yeah. 1 and a 2, we have a 2 now, so this box should be a 1. Right. 1 in this row, 1 in that row, so in the row with 3 in the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in the second column, no 1 there. 1 should be there, and I've eliminated 7, so the 7 goes there. 3 and a 7, we have a 7 now in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 3 and a 9, we have 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the mass. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 and the 9. 6 and the 9. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the mass. 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 2, the 5, 2, and the 5. We have a 2 in this middle row. No 2 there. 2 should be here and the 5 goes there. 6 and 9. We have a 6 in the first column. No 6 there. 6 should be here and 9 goes there. Then 1 box left in this second column for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. 9 and a 5, we have a 9 in the first row, no 9 there. 9 should be here and a 5 goes there. 5 and a 6, we have a 5 in the first row, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 6 goes there. 6 and 8, we have a 6 now in the first row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 8 goes there, and I know 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 and 8 is missing, 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have an 8 in the first row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there, finish in 16 minutes. Told you I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve a 2 stars puzzle. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in the evening with other puzzles. Yeah, quick to solve, but we solve it again. Bye-bye for now, and see you later in the evening.